Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. How are you doing today? Today is Monday. Okay, Monday. Can you believe it? Monday? Where does last week went? I don't know. It's Monday. Today is the 9th of March. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. I mean, we almost finished March now. Because once it goes to the 10th, that's it. March is completed. Come on. I know the end of the month, we're going to have our summertime begins. But, baby, this month is going way too fast. I don't know what's going on with the world. The world is going crazy right now. Oh, man. If you know what's wrong with the world, man, please tell everyone, because it's crazy time out there. But you know what? Today I was at work and I was watching something online. And then I have this taste in my mouth for a punch. For a punch. See my big hands? I've got this taste in my mouth for a punch. Not a punch. A punch. Something milky. You know, something like a milky drink in a sense. I don't know. But that's what I want. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a punch. I don't know how it's going to come out, what it's going to taste like, but I'm going to make it. So guess what? You can watch me. If I'm making the punch correctly, let me know. Let me know. Yeah. Let's make a punch. Let's go. Okay guys, this is what I'm going to do tonight for you. I do not have any supplements, so I'm taking the nourishment. So here we go. So here we go. This is what I'm making tonight. I just feel like something nice, you know, nice. So I'm making a punch tonight. So here we go. You ready for it? Let's go. Okay guys, I have 1 cup of oat. 1 cup, yeah, just 1 cup. And then I'm gonna pour some water. So guys, I put like a bottle of water in there. I'm not making a lot because it's just me and my daughter. I don't think she's gonna even drink it, but I want to drink it. So I have a nourishment here. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in there now. So I don't know how it's gonna taste. Listen, if you've done this before, drop it in the comments. Tell me what I'm missing. Tell me what I need to do other than just winging it, because I'm winging it. But I just feel for something milky, you know. And I don't want to go to the shop and buy. I just want to make my own. So I'm gonna make this punch. Okay, just bear with me. Right, guys. I feel like I'm stuck opening this. I can't open it. It's stuck. So I think, I don't know. Oh, there you go. I did it. Yay, I did it. So I'm gonna pour that in there. Oh. Remember, if I'm doing it wrong, please put it in the comments, okay? Let me know that I'm doing it wrong. So now I'm gonna blend all of this. So I've got water, oats, and the nourishment, or the nutriment, whatever you wanna call it. Or you can put supplement instead. In Jamaica, I think supplement is the correct one. But right now, I've got nutriment. You know, I come in from work, yeah, and I have this crave, like, I want to make something. I want to eat something nice. I don't know. Yeah. But I'm going to make this anyway. Let's go. Now I have this big jug, This is my water bottle, so I'm gonna pop that over there. This is my measuring thingy. I'm gonna put it to the side. So now I have my my jug. So this is my jug. So I'm gonna pour the mixture out now into this. Guys, you know what? I do enjoy making stuff. I'm not the best of it, but when I feel like it, I think I just go all out, you know. I just feel like a punch tonight. So yeah, so I'm gonna pour the mixture in this here cup. Oh, look at all that thickness. I'm gonna have to put some more. Oh, look at that. Oh baby. So I have my whisk. I'm mixing that all in. Right, that's all mixed in. Now I'm going to put my vanilla in. I got this from Jamaica when I was down there, and I picked that up. You know what? I put 1 teaspoon inside of it. Just one. I can't put my measuring thingy, so yeah. Okay. Half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Ooh. I've got nutmeg, so I'm gonna grate it, okay? Right, so now I'm gonna get the nutmeg and I'm gonna give it a little bit of, like, maybe half a teaspoon, not a lot, because we don't want it to be like super nutmeggy. Okay. And then, listen, I'm putting all these stuff in there, yeah? If I don't have colic, what we call it in Jamaica, colic, some cashew in there. So I'm gonna run it back through the blender again. Oh my God, I hope I don't get up with a stomachache tonight. I really need this. And now, the pièce de résistance. Can you see it? This is what you need. You can get it in the can, or you can get it in the bottle. So this is the pièce de résistance. There you go. This is the magic. This is the magic. Okay. Now let's. Oh, ah! Why didn't you tell me that I shouldn't shake it up? I shake it up and it starts to squirt out the bloody thing. Never mind. It's okay. We have done it properly. There you go. This is too much! I have to think what we can fit in the blender. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back in our blender now. Oh, I think it's too much, guys. Okay, let's blend half of it first. Let's blend half of it. So we don't want it to like froth over. And my daughter is sleeping, so I don't want to like make too much noise. And she's super tired. She went to work today. She's super tired. So now I've taken this portion out of the blender, and I'm gonna. Oh, it smells so good already, mate. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add the rest of it, and wow. So this is one portion, so I'm gonna add the rest of it now and make 2 portions. Here we go. Lock, stock, and smoking barrel. So now we're gonna add the condensed milk, okay? So sweeten to your own taste, okay? So I'm gonna pour. It's quite thick. I'm just gonna use a half of it. Yeah. Oh, some caught my hand. And then you mix. Keep mixing till because you know that condensed milk is very thick. So you need to mix. And mix. Ooh, baby. mix it all the way out. Okay, then I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt. My mom always told me whenever you're making a milky drink, it's best to have a pinch of salt to it, so it doesn't make you got an upset stomach or anything. Okay, so see, I'm just gonna pop some here on top of this ugly looking lid. And remember, I said a pinch, so it's a pinch. You see a pinch. It's like clocking it pinch. Okay, there's a pinch, pinch, and you sprinkle it all over your drink like that. That's it. There it goes. Woo! And you throw that away, and then you just mix the rest. Mix it all in. Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Alrighty then. I think it should be okay. You know, you pour this out with a glass and have some ice cube, and baby, that is it for you. You are in the know. See, I'm gonna try and taste it now. Hi. So let me taste it. It's sweet enough. It's sweet enough. If you want it sweeter than that, you can put the whole condensed milk in. But for me, this is sweet enough, okay? It's nice. Stay tuned. Okay, I've got my ice cube. Hi everybody, how are you doing today? I'm so caught up in my punch. Thank you all for coming on board. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Whew. Okay. So I'm gonna pour the mixture in my jug. I wish I could give you some of this. You would really like it. So don't worry about that trousers on top of the door. My daughter does throw her trousers off whenever she... Listen, have you got kids? And you know how messy they are. They're very, very messy. And my daughter is no exception. She's an angel, but she's a messy angel. But yeah, she just come from work and she throw her trousers over the door. So don't worry about that. It's just her trousers. Let me stand in the way so you won't see it. Oh, you can look at the lid at the back of me. I don't know. Whatever tickle you fancy. Fix my camera. So, here we go. I've made it. Something very nice, my darling. So here we go. Let me taste it now. Cheers. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm telling you the truth. It's so nice. It just tickles, it just fills me, you know? Because I was just craving something milky and nice. And what's the best way then to have something nice for my country? Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make it. Wherever you are in the world, make it. It's quite easy. You can put any nuts you want. You can put cashew nuts, peanuts, whatever nuts you want to put in it, and just make it. It's very nice. And I blend it so you can, the nuts is, you can taste the nuts in it. You can have a little chew on the nut sauce because I put cashew nuts, so you can have a little chew on the nuts as well when you're drinking it. Beautiful. My soul is happy. Okay guys, so let's pour this out. There we go. See, it's a lot. And here we go. Yeah, very nice. You should try it. And I know my Jamaicans in my comment section saying, yeah man, listen, cheers to another Guinness Punch. A little of what you fancy does you good. And if I come home from work tired, I had a really busy day at work today. Let me tell you, I had to get up early this morning to drop my daughter's charger off at her workplace. And then I was so early for work that I was so like dizzy because I didn't get enough sleep. And then I got to work. It's a very busy day at work today. And then now I got home. Busy day. I just want something to relax to, and I fancy a nice bit of Guinness Punch. So, cheers. I hope you enjoyed the vlog.